you doing? It's snowing. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, you could go ahead and click that subscribe button somewhere here or there. I don't know. Today is gonna be a snow day. Basically, we're getting anywhere between 2 to 4 inches. I still have not took down the beautiful birthday balloons. I really like them up there. I think they're really pretty. And it still says happy birthday, which I also like. And I still have my flowers, which are dead. So mine and my sister's kids are out of school today. So my grandma and my mama have all 4 of our kids. I took them over there while I ran to the grocery store real quick because we needed some milk. So they wouldn't leave. So I just left them there. Mia was crying. She did not want to leave. Right now I'm going to clean out my refrigerator and put these few little bit of groceries I bought up. I went outside and I prepared, like, got Kitty Boo's little house area all straight. Got her plenty of food out there and water. Got her little warming lamp thing on, so when it snows, hopefully the snow won't blow in the one direction that's not covered. Let's hope. And Ellie, I got Ellie some more shavings to put in her house, but I have to wait for Jimmy to wake up from sleeping to do that because I can't take the top of her doghouse off by myself to do that. So she'll be nice and warm for when it snows. And yeah, just getting everything ready for the snow. I'm hoping we get a good amount of snow. I just like to get one good snow to, like, get the kids out and let the kids play and stuff like that. So hopefully it'll snow. One good snow. All right, so let's get this refrigerator cleaned out and get these groceries put up. All right, so let's clean this fridge. I don't know if everybody else is like me or not, but I really like to keep my fridge clean and organized. For one, it's easy to find what you have, and it's easy for my kids to, like, see what's in there for snacks or whatever. I feel like when your refrigerator is very disorganized, you really can't tell what food you have in there. And a lot of the times, if my refrigerator is unorganized, my family goes in there and they're like, oh, there's nothing to eat in here. But I can clean it out and organize it, and then you are able to see everything that you have to choose from. I try to do this whole cleaning routine when I go to the grocery store once a week. I had gotten a little bit behind, as you can see. It's a little bit dirtier than normal, but I pretty much keep my refrigerator and freezer pretty organized. These are those little sausage and muffin things. My kids actually ended up really enjoying those. So if you kind of have fast mornings like me, trying to get the kids out of the door and off to school, these are really easy and convenient idea. So basically what I do is just try to wipe out the refrigerator with Clorox wipes, and then I try to organize it with the labels facing out and make as much room as I can for everything. This is the freezer. I didn't record me taking everything out of the freezer because there really wasn't much to, like, throw away or get rid of. Pick my camera up, bring it over here. I don't know if I can do it. Oh, my ankle, take this. Okay, so the last clip you probably seen was me, well, you probably heard me hurting my ankle. I don't really know what I done to it. I climbed up on the side rail. I can show you. So the camera was sitting up here, and I climbed up here and grabbed the camera, and when I turned around and went to get down, there's a hole right here in the yard, and I stepped in the hole apparently, and my ankle just popped. Like, I heard it was like, and then it hurt so bad. Jimmy had to pick me up and carry me into the house, and when I got in, I put ice on it for a while, and it still hurts now, but I don't think it's broke or anything because I can walk on it, but it does hurt pretty bad. Yeah, so it might be sprained. I don't think it's broken because I can like actually move it, but it really does hurt. But it's it hurts when I walk, and yeah, so I'm just dealing with it because I mean, I think it's okay. I don't think it's broken or anything, but we'll see how the day goes on. There's no snow yet. It's 2:30. There's no snow, there's no rain, there's no nothing. I don't know when it's supposed to start snowing, but I'm ready. So it's snowing right now. They changed the forecast, and I think they said we're gonna get 3 to 5 inches now, which is great. Let me walk out here and just show you. I wonder if Ellie. There's Ellie. It's just snowing, Ellie. What is it, girl? Is it snowing on you? Mia, what's it doing outside?
Snowing. It's snowing outside.
What's it doing, Mia?
It's snowing outside.
Oh my goodness.
Can I add it? Hello, it's snowing all day.
You think we're gonna get a bunch of snow, Zoe?
I don't know.
Alright, so it's only been a few minutes, and the car has snow on it over there, here, there, all back there is covered in snow. So we'll see. This is definitely getting covered.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Are you crazy? You are. At least you're honest. We're eating supper. I'm gonna show you what I cooked. So I got some roasted vegetables, macaroni and cheese, and fried chicken. Looks delicious. Where's Mia? You see Mia? Can you see her? What's she doing? Are you ready to go play in the snow?
Yeah.
Well, go eat. Let's show you the front yard view.
Okay,
This is our front yard.
Mama.
But after we eat supper, I'm gonna take the kids outside because I can't wait, and I know they want to go out in it, and I don't think it'll be here tomorrow. Sure. So after we eat supper, I think we're gonna go play in the snow. Yeah. Come here, hold mommy's hand. It's not ice. Move, Ellie. It's snowing. There's snow. What are you doing? What are you doing, Mia? This is your first time in the snow. How's that work, baby? I see it, baby. It's snowing.
Can we get out in there?
Yeah, you can go play. Is there a lot of snow?
No.
Yeah. Ellie. Whoa, it's a lot. We probably got about maybe 3 inches.
That could really be deep.
Are you having fun? All right.
Now I can hold.
Good gracious. Oh my goodness. What do you think, Nia?
I know it.
Knowing.
I do say I do it. Mommy, watch out.
What doing?
Mia, look at Mommy's car.
What you got?
Oreo.
What? Hot chocolate. I almost forgot to end the vlog, but I've been watching a few shows. It's like 11:30 at night. It's probably, whew, can't see me. It's probably snowed about, I would say maybe 4 inches or so. I'm gonna try to wake the kids up around 7:30 in the morning and take them out to play in the snow. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video before I forget. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Stop, Zoe.
The trampoline could be slippery. Whoa! I slipped up.
Zoe.